Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to highlight a color in Photoshop 3. First of all, apply the first way. Select the magic wand tool and select color. Then hold Ctrl Z. Click FX, color, select highlight color. And another way to again apply the same process. Click and select highlight color or red, then hold Alt, click backspace. And for the last way, select the icon, color balance, selective color. I select this balance, this color, fill this color, change and highlight. This color is automatically already highlight. Okay, change color. Magic wand tool, then click full situations. Now see this, add your highlight color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.